Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? In today's video, we're diving into 15 detailed ways to build passive income streams that could help you achieve financial freedom. From digital products to real estate investments, these ideas are perfect for anyone looking to create a steady income stream without constant effort. We'll also introduce some helpful tools along the way, so stay tuned. Let's dive right in. First up, online courses. If you have a skill, whether it's photography, coding, or even cooking, you can create an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to build, host, and sell courses. You create the content once, and it keeps bringing in revenue every time someone enrolls. Idea 2. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in real estate. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $10. You earn returns as the properties appreciate and generate rental income. It's a hands-off way to add real estate to your investment portfolio. Idea 3. Dividend-paying stocks. Consider dividend-paying stocks for consistent passive income. Apps like Robinhood allow you to easily buy and manage stocks that pay dividends. The more shares you hold, the more you earn in dividends every quarter, making it a great way to build long-term wealth. Idea 4. Ebooks and digital products. Creating ebooks or digital products can be a great source of passive income. You write the book or design templates once, and they can be sold infinitely on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Gumroad. Whether it's a guide, a workbook, or a template, digital products are a great way to share your knowledge. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income online. You promote products you love and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase using your unique link. Websites like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started, and you can promote products through a blog, YouTube, or social media. Idea 6. Print-on-demand store. With print-on-demand, you don't need to hold any inventory. Websites like Printful let you design and sell custom products like t-shirts and mugs. When someone buys an item, Printful handles production and shipping, allowing you to focus on designing more products. Idea 7. Rental income with Airbnb. Got a spare room or vacation home? You can rent it out on Airbnb. This is an excellent way to earn passive income from property you already own. It's especially lucrative in popular tourist destinations or cities with high demand for short-term rentals. Idea 8. Create a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube can be a great source of passive income, especially if your videos are evergreen content. Think about tutorials, reviews, or how-tos. You earn through ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Use Matt Parr's Tube AI system to learn all you need to start your content and grow your channel faster. Idea 9. Sell stock photos. If you're good at photography, you can sell stock photos on websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your image, you earn a royalty. It's a perfect way to make money from photos you've already taken. Idea 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses, earning interest over time. It's like being a mini bank. This can be a good option if you're looking to diversify your investments. Idea 11. Build a niche blog. A niche blog can generate passive income through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Platforms like WordPress combined with hosting from Bluehost make it easy to set up your own blog and start writing about topics you're passionate about. Idea 12. Create digital art and NFTs. If you're an artist, digital art and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, can be a lucrative income source. You can create digital artworks and sell them on platforms like OpenSea. As blockchain and crypto grow, so does the potential for digital art sales. Idea 13. Create an app. Got an idea for an app? You don't need to be a coder. Platforms like AppyPie allow you to create apps without any programming knowledge. Once your app is live, you can earn through ads or in-app purchases. Idea 14. License your music. Musicians, this one's for you. You can license your music on platforms like Audio Jungle. Every time someone uses your track for their videos or ads, you earn royalties. It's a fantastic way to earn from music you've already created. Idea 15. Invest in index funds. Index funds are a low-risk way to invest in the stock market. With platforms like Vanguard, you can buy index funds that track the S&P 500, giving you exposure to the stock market without needing to manage individual stocks. Over time, this can provide a steady return. And there you have it, 15 detailed ways to build passive income streams for financial freedom. Whether you're looking to create digital products, invest in real estate, or get creative with online courses, there's an option here for everyone. Remember, it's not just about working hard, but working smart. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description to get started with tools like Teachable, Fundrise, Robinhood, and many more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business insights, and share your favorite passive income idea in the comments below.